Hey YouTube, welcome to the hangar. Still crazy. It's been about a month and a half since I've been out here. Last time I was here was actually bringing Lucille in, but made it back out today and started washing her. I think I put about 5 hours of washing in and still have a long way to go. And I'm gonna need some other tools and stuff to wash. It's a lot of plane to clean. I knew that going in, but I will show you a quick time lapse of the progress so far. You should be able to see the before and after sides, especially with the wings. A lot of dirt and grime from just, even though she's been in a hangar, still a lot of dirt and grime from the last couple of years. And then I'll give you a quick walk around of the hangar here and show you how things are laid out. So let's do that. To Lucille's hangar in Fredericksburg, Virginia at the beautiful Shannon Airport. The hangar here is set up a lot like Uncle Neil's hangar was. There's a workbench for me over on this side of the hangar, along with some tools. You look around the back, I've got lots of storage there. Really tall ladder. I can actually reach the ceiling of these like 20-foot ceilings in here with that ladder. Love that flag, the Truman flag. 48 stars, the number of stars that were on the flag when Lucille was built. Started to put up some of the propaganda posters and stuff from World War II. I love these, the buying the war bonds. And then storage for cleaning supplies, other stuff, other essentials, oil, and really that's about it. The hangar's pretty much empty other than that. Did get, like I said, started washing the plane today, so I've got most of the sides of the fuselage and the empanage done. Got a decent wash on couple of the wings, on half the wings, I guess. I'm gonna need some additional tools to really get the upper wings clean, but we'll get there. And then, lots of time, but she's cleaning up nicely. Love it.